and gents, it's your girl LaceMeLemon, and you guys are looking at another slay, honey. This is a lace frontal sew-in over medium length dress, and as you can see, her dress are a good length. This is my cousin, by the way, and I went ahead and tried to braid the dress as flat as I could, and currently I am using the yellow bottle of Gots to Be, and that's what I use to slick the edges back, because that just works best. And I know you guys like, dang, you jump right into it. Yes, I like to jump right into my videos, honey. So I just snap those edges back into place, and I take my blow dryer on warm, and I just begin to press that back, and that's just going to give me a little sleek look, and it's going to get those edges out of the way when it's time for me to lay my frontal. This is not really a detailed video on the frontal install, because I just got my techniques really down packed. So I would be releasing a detailed video for you guys, so I'm not leaving you out, honey, not leaving you out. I'm gonna let y'all know the ins and outs of this, what I use, and everything in my next video. But this is one crucial step that you guys want to make sure you do. You want to make sure you wipe your client's skin off with 99% alcohol, and your frontal placement. Make sure you are sizing that frontal on your client's head. That's with the wig install, that's with everything. Make sure you're sizing that frontal on your client's head, and you're going to need your client's help when you're doing frontal wigs, installs, lace closures, whatever. You're going to need their help to hold certain parts of the lace that you can't hold, because we only have 2 arms. Sometimes we need 4, and they're there. So at this point, I'm taking foundation and I'm putting that onto her lace frontal. You want to use the foundation that is closest to their skin tone, you guys, not a shade lighter, but closest to their skin tone. And as you can see, I'm just taking that foundation, putting it to the front of that lace frontal, and I am going to secure that down with my glue. You want to make sure your glue is as flat as possible, you guys, as flat as possible. Do not forget that. Do not forget that. So like I said, this video is not really detailed, so I'm not going to be doing very much talking in this video, because I've talked enough. I know, very long-winded. So as you can see, I don't use the ball cap method, and I'm going to tell you guys why in my next detailed video. So if you want to watch that, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on. I had to say that again, y'all, because I messed it up. Turn those notifications on. Why haven't you? Okay, thank you, honey, and I will be back. So at this point, I take that frontal and I lay it into that glue, and I'm just taking my blow dryer and melting that lace down. You want to use the teeth of your comb to really press that lace into that glue, and that's just going to secure that frontal. And as you can see, I am going to go to the other side, and I'm just going to do the same thing. So at this point, I'm taking that elastic band and I'm just going to wrap it around the edges of that lace where that glue is to secure it in place. And you can see, y'all, she's very excited. I forgot our conversation, but yeah, she is a clown. And this is my cousin, by the way, you guys. So at this point, I'm going to sew my tracks in the back, and I do that while I have the elastic band wrapped around that lace, letting that lace really stick to that glue. And at this point, I already took my elastic band off, and now it's time for me to cut that extra lace off. So what I do, I go ahead and part the hair, and you will see where the glue is. When you part the hair, you will see the area where the glue lies. So all you do is take your and I got this technique from I Am Beautiful Hustler. Versus going across the lace with it, I cut it from off top. It gives me more of, not like a blunt look, I would so to say. So you're gonna see how it really helps that lace by just shaving it at the top, like just going across with it, really. So my lighting is not really good at this point in this video, but it gets better towards the end. So at this point, I don't know what happened to the lighting. It did not really get it. But do you see that melt? Do you see that lace, honey? Do you see that? Like, oh, it's been a long time coming, you guys, and I am just getting better and better and better with this, and I am just so grateful. But I'm not even about to preach to y'all. But look at that scalp. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, I am really slaying now, and I'm taking y'all on this journey with me because I'm trying to teach everyone the ins and out of this. But I just got to be more consistent with these videos, and I will be, honey. Any questions you guys want to know, just leave them in the comment box below. Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Did you hit that subscribe button yet? You letting me talk your head off, but did you hit that subscribe button yet? Did you? Please do. Thank you. But anyway, I'll go ahead and part out my sections for my baby hair. When I'm doing my installs, I just go ahead and part that out just to get it out the way. I know people do section by section. They'll go ahead and take out certain parts of the hair for the baby hairs, but this is just way, it's just easier for me. And I go ahead and braid that section out of the way. And as you can see now, I'm cutting that other ear tab off. Make sure you cut that ear tab off. Don't cut their ear though, but cut that ear tab off, not their ear. So as you can see, I'm just cutting that ear tab off. That's nothing but extra lace. And now I am going to pin the top, the lace closure, into a bun. And I'm going to continue to sew my tracks in the back. But I'm going to spray my hairline with some holding spray mist. Tresemme is good. Bedhead is good. I don't like Got To Be. I don't use Got To Be. Sebastian is good. Hair Flex is good. Whatever you choose, like a light mist, just go ahead and spray that hairline with that. And what that is going to do, that is what really melts the lace, you guys. And you just tie it down with that elastic band as tight as you can. And as you can see, those tracks are finished sewing, you guys. I am done with that, and I'm just going to shut up and let you guys finish enjoying the rest of this video, honey. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you guys next time. Thank you. So at this point, you guys, I'm just styling her hair. She wanted a middle part with some baby hairs on the side. So like I said, I'm just going to style it, and this is just going to be a couple quick clips of me doing that. Y'all thought I was gonna shut up, but I'm back. I did not record this part of these baby hairs, but you guys, I will do a detailed video on that. So at this point, like you see, I'm just swooping those baby hairs, and I want y'all to look at this band reveal though. Like, look at that. Do you see that? That is what you call a slay, giving me real life scalp tease. Like, have y'all subscribed yet? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I want to thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to turn those notifications on. Thank you.